guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you are doing fantastic. Today we are going to talk about bridal perfumes. So if you are bride-to-be or you're just interested in my selection of fragrances I recommend for a bride, please stay with me. And of course I would like you to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, leave a like or dislike. I would love to grow and I would love to see this channel grow, so if you can do so, please. And we'll start. Basically for me, bridal perfumes don't have to be like only floral perfumes or very innocent. It depends on your personality and how you in general approach the fragrances, how you want to express yourself. So here we have different fragrances and different selection. There will be something for a bride that wants to be more avant-garde, and of course classic, elegant bride as well. I have 10 fragrances for you and I hope you will find it useful. I really like to make such, you know, selections and present them to you. So maybe the first scent I will present to you is the scent I do not have, but I do have a sample of it. First one is beautiful BDK Tubereuse Imperiale. So this one I think will be the perfect scent for the bride because it is a white floral. It is quite innocent, however it is also quite feminine. I should really say it's feminine. Because it has this beautiful bubblegummy sunny tuberose in it, and the bottle of the fragrance is stunning as well. And I forgot to mention that I chose fragrances here that also have very nice bottles, so that you can have a beautiful picture of your bottle. So I think BDK does the job just perfectly. Very beautiful, stunning scent. It is long lasting as well. If I may compare it to something, I would say it's along the lines with L'Interdit from Givenchy or My Way of Giorgio from Giorgio Armani. However, BDK Tubereuse Imperiale for me is more elegant, more elevated, and I think it will be perfect for a wedding day. Another perfume that I think will be perfect and has stunning bottle, absolutely stunning bottle, is Tomavicci Empyrean. And if you are a fan of rose fragrances, I think this fragrance couldn't be more perfect for a wedding day. And look at this bottle. This bottle is meant to be for a princess. If you like this princessy stuff, if you like crystals, if you like, you know, girly girl stuff and also regal stuff as well, I think this one will be perfect. It looks like a flask or of some, you know, decent drink or something like that. So I think it's very, very beautiful. And if you like Delina from Parfums de Marly, but you find it too sharp, I think this one will be the perfect alternative for the fragrance, because this one is more muted, but at the same time it has very similar DNA to Delina, but it doesn't scream. It lasts very long time on my skin. It projects beautifully, and throughout the day, actually, you're getting these beautiful wafts of the rose fragrance. And in the base we have Bacchor, which gives it a little bit of smokiness, and it is also quite spicy. So I think it's a beautiful, beautiful creation for a wedding. Very feminine, very sensual as well, very elegant. So yeah, Tomavicci Empyrean. So that was for the rose lovers. Another scent is for the bride that wants to be more minimal, but still loves her, you know, beautiful scent. And this one will be Carnival Barcelona Besos. And I couldn't think of any better name for a bridal fragrance. Besos in Spanish means kisses. So I think this day is perfect as well for a lot of kisses. So this one has iris. It is powdery. It doesn't have this lipsticky iris I do not like. This iris is clean, is powdery. It has some white flowers as well. So if you like this clean fragrances, but also clean fragrances made elegant, I think Besos will be perfect as well. So beautiful. And I chose it here as well because it is very long lasting. I am sure it will last you the whole day. I didn't test it actually in a warmer weather because we still have in Poland those cold days, and I do not know what is happening because we have a spring and I still sometimes pull out my autumn jacket, so I do not know. I want to make a complaint about that, but anyways, I think it will last as well very good in a warmer weather. So Besos from Carnival Barcelona, I think it will be perfect. And as I said, if you have more minimalist style, this one might be the fragrance for you for your wedding day. And of course, those fragrances can be also used as a wedding guest. No problem at all. It's just an inspiration. If you're a wedding guest, I think those fragrances will do the job as well. Another fragrance is a staple in my collection, and actually this was the fragrance I wore on my wedding reception, and this is of course Coco Mademoiselle from Chanel. I have here Eau de Parfum Intense. I do not have to tell you about this fragrance anything more. I think everyone knows Coco Mademoiselle. It is perfect actually for me for any occasion you can imagine. It is very, you know, put together, elegant, refined fragrance. It has some patchouli, it has rose, it has bergamot, it is sweet, it is quite fresh, it is elegant, it is sharp as well at the same time. So I love all of the qualities of Coco Mademoiselle Chanel. It lingers very beautifully on your skin. It leaves beautiful trail. So I couldn't imagine better scent for a bride than Coco Mademoiselle from Chanel. Actually, this scent began my whole obsession about the fragrances. It was a long time ago when I was like, I don't know, 11 years old. That was the fragrance that started it all, and I still love it till this day. So of course for me, when I got married, it was obvious that I have to use it at some point, and that I had it on my wedding reception. Very beautiful, elegant and refined. So Coco Mademoiselle, I know it's like nothing original in terms of a choice for a wedding because it is quite obvious, but I do think that sometimes the simplest of the choices is the best. Just like that. Another scent is for a bride that wants to be more bold, or for her, as I said, wedding guest that wants to be more bold. This one is Micallef Secrets of Love Glamour, and this scent is quite popular already. I love it because it reminds me very much of the first formulation of Alien from Mugler. Currently, Alien from Mugler is too soapy on my skin. It doesn't have this punch that it used to have. So that's why I would choose Secrets of Love Glamour, of course, over the Alien. Here we have those narcotic, beautiful white flowers that we used to have in the old formulation of Alien. That's why I love it so much. So narcotic, so bold and sexy at the same time. So if you want to be this more bold and sexy bride, I think this one will be perfect as well. So stunning and beautiful. It has some spices in it as well, and I think you will be like entering the room and marking your presence with the scent. It also lasts quite a long time, so I try also to choose the fragrances that last quite a long time so that you won't need to respray, because we know you won't have a time then. So yeah, I think that's my selection. That's why this selection. Another scent is from Micallef as well, and this one will be more exotic but still refined. And another fragrance actually from Micallef that is very popular is of course Ilanging Gold. I have 10 ml decant, but I didn't bring it here. It is beautiful vanilla coconut ylang composition. It is like a veil. So if you are wearing this beautiful white dress or beige dress and it shimmers a little bit, the Ilanging Gold I think will be perfect because it smells like gold. It smells expensive, it smells rich and refined and delicate at the same time, and sweet and innocent in a way, and a little bit of tropical touch. It also has this little bit of tropical touch, so I think Micallef Ilanging Gold will be perfect as well for this day. Another scent is another white floral scent, and it's from Vilhelm Parfumerie. It's Fleur Burlesque. It's a new addition to my collection, but I bought the bottle with the, you know, with the rest of the fragrance here in the bottle. So it's not a lot, but it will last me a long time, I think. This one is another white florals that are very sunny. We have gardenia, we have jasmine, and you know what? It reminds me a lot about Giorgio Beverly Hills, like the first version of it. And Giorgio Beverly Hills in general, for me, it is too pungent. Something was wrong with this fragrance. I had it once in my collection, but I got rid of it. But in this one, everything is more elegant again, refined. It is like this bigger, bolder, and more beautiful sister to Giorgio Beverly Hills. So I strongly recommend you try Fleur Burlesque if you liked Giorgio Beverly Hills, but something bothered you in there. I had this strange note coming out later when the scent was on my skin, so I didn't like it at all. That's why I declutter it. But this one is sunny, is elegant, is elevated. For me, it's like a scent in Technicolor, you know, those old Hollywood movies. That's what I have in my mind when I smell it, like this old glamour, old Hollywood glamour, beautiful dresses, beautiful hairstyles. So that's the fragrance for the vintage bride, you know, that wants to be like this old school Hollywood diva. I think this fragrance will be perfect. For me, it's like being in LA from the 50s, 40s. Very, very beautiful. So Fleur Burlesque from Vilhelm Parfumerie, and it also lasts a very long time. It is special and unique, I would say. You don't encounter those compositions anymore, so this is like the old school one. All right, another one will be for more avant-garde bride, I would say, but this composition is very sensual, and it is Rosendo Mateu No5. This scent also gets much hype on YouTube, so if you are looking for something sensual, as I said, vanilla, you like your sweet scents, but with some little twist, you want to add more twist to your fragrance, I think Rosendo Mateu No5 will be perfect. It has saffron, it has vanilla, it has leather. I don't know if there is a leather in the official note breakdown, however I can feel it, but it's not a pungent leather. It's something like rubbery. It gives it like the rubbery effect along with saffron. So some people don't like this effect. I love it, actually. I love it. It's combined with vanilla, and it's very carnal, very animalic as well. It is long lasting. It smells great. It has excellent performance, so I think for a wedding it will be excellent as well. And as I said, if you want to stand out with your fragrance, wear something unusual but still sexy, chic, and you know, with character, Rosendo Mateu No5 will be perfect as well. And the bottle is stunning. I have only 5 ml here, but if you own the full bottle and you want to wear it, I think it will be a great choice for your wedding day. So Rosendo Mateu No5. And second to last fragrance, I do not have it, but I still do recommend it on my channel. Nishane, 100 Silent Ways. If you like Black Opium from Yves Saint Laurent, but you wish it would be more refined again, more elegant, I think that is the way to go with Nishane 100 Silent Ways. I really like this fragrance because even though it slightly reminds of Black Opium, it has character on its own. It is again more refined, more elegant, and it is an older sister to Black Opium that is elegant, that has, I don't know, seen much, lived much, you know, all that stuff. So I think this one will be better, and it has also much better longevity than original Black Opium. Original Black Opium actually fades from my skin very quickly, but this one lasts really long time. And it is, as I said, more elegant. So if you want to stay in this familiar mainstream vein of fragrances, but you still want to have something quite special, I think Nishane 100 Silent Ways is a good option as well. And the last fragrance is again obvious fragrance, obvious perfumes, but why not? You know, it's C, Giorgio Armani C Intense Eau de Parfum. It is a 2021 version. For me, it smells downright like the first version of C that came out in 2014. I remember testing it then, and it smelled exactly like Intense version. I don't know if you have same thoughts about it. If you do, please let me know, because I'm curious how people, you know, perceive it, because for me, it's like the first formulation of original C. Beautiful rose, patchouli, benzoin, black currant, very feminine as well. You know, this scent profile is familiar, however, I still do find it refined and elegant. Even though it's mainstream, I really like it. After that, of course, we had lots of flankers, lots of dupes, but this one I think is one of a kind, and I think now it's not that popular as it was back in the day, so that's why I also have my bottle and I really enjoy it. And I think you may use it because, as I said, it's not that popular, and this version lasts a long time as well, projects really well and sticks basically to your clothes, to your skin, and I think that's what we need from the fragrance we take on our wedding day or as a wedding guest. So that was it for today. Let me know if you like my selection of fragrances for a bride. Let me know what would you wear from these fragrances, or what are your recommendations. I would like to know. I hope you enjoyed today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.